the lush green heartlands of Western Equatoria, where agriculture is more than tradition, its survival, a quiet but powerful revolution is taking root. Caritas Austria is changing life through an ambitious coffee project that is revitalizing communities, empowering farmers, and bringing hope. Bartolomeo Gaza, a 70 years old, one of the beneficiaries of the project, expressed his satisfaction with the project. My name is Bartolomeo Gaza. I want to thank Caritas Austria and the Almighty God for this great coffee initiative. I commit myself to coffee plantation because I knew it would help me in the future. The coffee plantation is helping me today because if I had resisted the idea, I could have been suffering by now.
My name is Werner Fritz. I'm country manager of Caritas Austria in South Sudan. And the main objective of our coffee project is that we plan to optimize the whole chain of coffee production with the goal that most of the money stays with the farmer. The coffee we want to push, it's an Excelsa coffee, a very special coffee. And this coffee is not new here. So the people here were already producing it before the war came many years ago. So we want to reactivate it, to give the people, the small farmers, their families, our beneficiaries, a possibility to earn money and to support their families.
This time I would like to give my sincere thanks to Caritas, who since the beginning or the formation of the organization have been supporting us, have been in partnership, they have been our long partner in everything that we do. They are the one who have contributed to where we are. They have been supporting us to realize our dream.
Through sustainable coffee plantation and growth, this project is transforming lives, boosting livelihoods in a region where most families depend entirely on farming.
This site, as you can see, all this side is Excelsa, which is called also Liberica, or cacao, as local people say. This is the coffee we have been promoting for the last 6 or 7 years. We started because it is fit into our environment here. It is sustainable, it can stay for many years, and it is resistant to drought, to other things. So we have been promoting this Excelsa.
I am Batu Christopher. I work for Caritas Austria, office in Yambio as the operations manager. We support the Excelsa coffee growing, and we support farmers to produce. Caritas Austria engaged in the production of Excelsa coffee because it is an exotic coffee it's a rainforest coffee, which has high yields. Its yield is more than the other Robusta and Arabica that we have here. It is an indigenous coffee, which is good for the environment in Western Equatoria. It is resistant to drought, and it has high yields. So we want to give the farmers a chance to have an income by the production of coffee, and more so also it has a very good taste, and it is the first of its kind. Its unique taste is really what we want people to enjoy.
I'm really very happy and a little bit proud that we present this great Excelsa coffee, this rainforest coffee, in the next month in Austria.
The main objective of Caritas Austria Coffee project in South Sudan is to optimize the whole chain from the training to the production, processing, marketing, and selling, and in turn, the most of the money stays with the smaller farmers.